Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, Leos, I'll be picking few cards, guys. And today I have an oracle guidance coming up after this general reading. So that may give you more clarity in your situation. If you have some doubts or some confusions, you can watch that pick a card reading, guys. So let's see what are these cards. It's Ace of Stars, the Burning Tower in reverse, and Knight of Suns in reverse. So these cards, sorry guys, it's Six of Stars. So with these cards, in your situation, it may relate to your personal life, or it may be something to do in your career situation. So you are trying to overcome your negative situation, guys. Maybe certain things are not going as expected. You have some worry, stress in your heart, but you don't like to continue the same way. You are a very cheerful, confident person. You don't want to worry about some things that are not going to change. Maybe it may be people, or it may be your circumstance. So you are letting go of that expectation you have in your situation, and you are what to say trying to you're making those attempts to find that peace and harmony in yourself, no matter what your situation is. So there are things, there are obstacles to be faced, or unforeseen events taking place in your life, unexpected changes coming in your situation. So it may be something good for some of you. If you were facing some difficult situation, it may be some good changes coming your way, guys. But if it is something good you were seeing till now, it may be some difficult situation coming up, guys, Leos. But you need to stay strong, focused on your inner peace to face this situation. So you are overcoming that negativity you have today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are traveling to some place, maybe taking a holiday, or making a move to a different place for work. So that may also be the energy here, guys. It may be your energy or this person's energy, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, Leos. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch that pick a card reading, guys, that oracle guidance. That will give you more clarity, guys, Leos. Stay tuned for that, Leos. For your general guidance, guys, today I have two cards. It's going to be like a pick a card. So these cards, it may relate to your career situation or your relationship, guys, and it is a general guidance, so it may or may not relate. But the meaning of this guidance card is that maybe in your situation you may have some questions about your circumstances, about the people. So it may give you some clarity, some understanding to make things go in a better way in your day to day life, guys. So that is the use of this reading, this guidance. So that is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So after a few seconds of silence, I will start with the first card, guys. So let's start the reading. I will keep this card aside. So this is your first card. and the card says Al Uzza, star of Venus. So this is a Rumi card, guys. It's based on poet Rumi's oracle. So it's based on his poetry. So we will start the reading with a few lines from the poetry. Close your eyes to see and become aware of me. Perceive me with eyes that see the unseen. Come into the mystery to find me. I am a carefree visitor here for you. Rumi. So that is the poetry, the few lines with this card, guys. So this card stands for that mighty blessing based on love, and with great blessings great growth is possible. That is the energy with this card, guys. So in your situation today, you have to have that trust in your path, guys. Trust in the way things are going, trust in your own evolution, your own growth. So people around you, they may be reacting differently, you may feel differently within yourself, you may have that satisfaction, peace and balance in your life, but people react with fear or discomfort. But you have to have that trust in their path also, because each and every one of us, we have our own path in life, our own unique path, and we do not need to convince anyone of anything. Our job is to just embrace our wisdom, our freedom and our empowerment to grow spiritually in our life. So that is the reading, guys. So what we feel is only for us, because all of us are unique in our own way, and we should not feel judgmental about the other person, because they are also on their path of life and their path is unique, and they are also on the way to that great spiritual growth in life. So we need not feel sad or bad about them. So we have to have that acceptance, and we have to have that feeling of confidence to shine truly and shine brightly in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. The first card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is this card. The second card, it says no place like home. So that just means we have to be authentic to ourselves, guys. It stands for authenticity, feeling comfortable in our own place. So in our career situation or in our relationship, when we are in love and when that love is reciprocated, we feel safe, comfortable, and we feel familiar with that person. So together we add to that love, of that relationship. So when we are in sync, full of love, and when we reciprocate each other's love, respect and caring, we feel safe and secure. The same way in your career situation, when you act in that authentic way, when you act true to your heart's desires, your business choices, your investments, whatever you make, it is based on that truth. And you're ready to accept both success and failure because you have made the decision based on that truth. So abundance is there to grab for you, guys. So when you work with that authenticity in your heart, you are going to reach success in your life no matter what. So that is the reading with this card, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.